My registration number is 215C059. Today I'm gonna explain about my explain number 6, which is JavaScript, where time functions and objects are used. Now in this we have to perform JavaScript code in our HTML file. So we'll, we'll this is our question, which is this is the question where we have to operate this into the HTML file, JavaScript file, and we have to do the queries. We have to do the following questions in it. So the first is to write the JavaScript code to display the digital clock. So it will the question. This is the question for us, and first question is to create a digital clock and ID time. So the question is now we'll create a HTML file, HTML tag, head tag, and body tag is given as we have to do it for the HTML file. And now we use some style in it to design it. Now this is where we have given some ID for it also. ID as hours, span ID as hours, span ID minutes, which is time will be displayed like hours, minutes, and then seconds is also there. So, so we'll use a script tag and we'll use the ID to access the IDs to access the hours, minutes, and seconds. So we'll use the function set interval where display 1,000 around 10 seconds it will display, 1 second it will display, and set interval. Now the function displays here. So according to the function displays here, so the display function is modified here and operated here. So we'll use the get element by ID, where this ID is used to get uh, d dot get hours, where d is the new date, and will access the get hours, so the hours will be printed according to it, and minutes will and seconds also. So this was, and now we'll we'll be using the now after that we go to the following next question for it. So the next question is to write a JavaScript code for JavaScript code for to change the background color for every 30 seconds. So for every 30 seconds we see here, okay, see here color function color. So where red is given and math function is inner function, where in the scripts and functions in the HTML only it means, so you can give it and access the random, so random color will be coming in this type of seconds, and random global RGB is used for switching the colors one by one, and document.get element tag body is used to take out the body, and the background color is changed every time. After that we'll see the next question as third question, which is write an event handler to increase the font size when mouse comes over and paragraph, and decrease the size when the mouse moves of the paragraph. Uh, for this, we'll see the functions in size when the mouse comes upon it. So this is the ID paragraph ID, where the text is there. Now when the mouse comes over, the font size will become as 28 pixels, and if the mouse comes decides when the mouse goes off, the paragraph's font size changes to 14 pixels. So now we'll go to the fourth question, which is write a JavaScript code to move absolute position car image using car move button and stop the car when the image when the user clicks the button. Now for this, now we'll go to the code. This is the sixth question where we animate here. Now we'll use a button, move right and on click to stop. Where when this button is clicked, the image will move right and stop is clicked, then the image will be stopping. So this the function in it where the image is positioned as relative and given as 0 pixel, and for moving right it will for moving right it go to the image will be going to the left by 1 pixel every time, and we have given the timeout as 10. Now the function stop is also there where the image will come back to the 0 pixel as the animate is used here. Here timeout and window onload is used on in it. Now our last question for this is we have to create an array of objects where we have to take the student's number, registration number, and year of birth of day where it will print in it in the by using the array of objects. So this is the where student, where name and registration number, date of birth we are giving, and by using for loop, this students one by one value is inserted in the array, this array of objects, and it's printed one by using substring. So this is the by this the total overall uh, our, total overall coding of our sixth question. Sixth question. We will see the output here. So you can see a dynamic background here which changes color, and this is a time, it is 538. Now this is change font size where it will change the font size every time. Uh, and now sorry for the interruption. This is the font size. Now this is image moving image. So this is moving one by one, and if we reset it, it will come back. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.